Woo.
So, Del Taco for y'all get my order wrong.
Yeah.
And I ate all day.
Tell them, baby.
The frustration hurts me.
It hurts so bad. What it do?
What it is?
What's good?
Hey, it's your favorite couple of pranksters, Ronnie and Nisha.
Yeah, feel me.
And we back with a mukbang video.
Mukbang.
Today, y'all, we gonna be eating Del Taco.
Yeah.
We will be doing a food review for Del Taco. This is our first time trying Del Taco. We don't have a Del Taco back in Memphis.
Yeah,
And
so
the food,
yeah,
it smells good.
What's up with that?
And it look good.
Yes, sir. So we're gonna get straight into it. We have the first what we got, baby?
We have the loaded queso nachos. I don't like sour cream with tomato, so I didn't get that on mine. But I do have jalapenos, steak, chicken, and beef on my nachos.
Yeah. And I got the same thing, you know what I'm saying? Steak, beef,
And
chicken,
we
nachos.
also have grilled spicy jack quesadillas. I don't know what this tastes like, how spicy it may be, so we're gonna find out. With that being said, y'all, munch time, crunch time, let's get into it.
Alright, now I got the mild sauce, cause like, yeah, I ain't gonna mess with the three, they're trying to say hot, the 3 fire signs. I'm gonna go with the,
I'll put all 3 on mine.
I feel like I just made a bad choice. Nah, I'm gonna stick with this. What is this one?
Mild sauce.
Medium bold signature Del Scorcho. Why is black though if it got 2 fire signs on it? Oh, so this the one, this the 2. I went straight to the 3rd one. That's why my mouth. I ain't going no 3rd.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh well. I'm still gonna eat it regardless. So give me all
Man,
the
why you make yours dress it up and make it real for you? How you make yours come out
give it a
like
little drizzle like the chefs be doing. They drizzle the sauce on there like that.
mine does not look like yours. You made yours look good.
I don't know, baby.
Alright, let me put that over here. I'm gonna put mine in my little bag.
Ooh.
How many you put?
I put 3 for right now.
Alright, I'm gonna put a little of this 3-5, John. I ain't gonna put a lot now. We're gonna dabble. Oh, Lord.
You put on nachos.
Yeah. No, cause I got, bro, I'm done. I got jalapenos already. Oh, my mouth. I done made a bad decision now.
These nachos is good. Well, man. Chip tastes a little stale right there, though.
What the was, little chicken?
I'm digging the white queso.
Yeah, I normally only eat chicken tenders, so.
Wait a minute. Don't let it fall.
Alright, this is what we're gonna do. This chip ain't got nothing on it, so I'm gonna wait on that one. I'm gonna grab this one right here. And of course, everything falls off of it when I grab it.
These are the best nachos I done had. I ain't gonna lie. Like, no cap. You can taste the seasoning in the chicken. You can taste it in the beef and the steak. And it's not like, you know how Taco Bell be trying to cheat you out your meat. They gave me some big pieces of meat.
You're not thought of. Even with the jalapenos, it's really good. Like, so good. And I got my little dessert, by the way. My churro, cinnamon churro. You put crushed ice in there.
You don't like crushed ice?
Nope. Cause you can't drink your drink how you want.
I like crushed ice. Can you have a napkin? I got like food on the side of my mouth.
Mukbang, but I'm supposed to be clean.
I don't like to be sloppy when I eat.
I eat.
I feel like when I get to the bottom, it's gonna be all chip and not enough meat.
If they made it right, it won't.
I really would like to have had a little more queso on it.
Oh, fire.
They're still really good.
Del Taco ain't playing no gun. My mouth hot though.
Scale of 1 to 10, what you get in nachos?
Right now, I'm giving them just like a 9.
I couldn't agree with that. I would have given it a 10 had I had a little more cheese and a little bit more meat. I would have given it a 10.
But for the overall portion that you get, the portion you get is pretty good.
Yeah. This is a large nacho. It's like, I think it's, if you get all 3 meats, it's like $10 with taxes for the nachos. Which, I mean, that's a pretty reasonable price for the size and amount that they give you. So yeah, I wouldn't mind eating Del Taco again. Definitely would recommend getting these nachos.
So we got chicken.
Chicken, beef, and steak.
What's steak at?
Those chunks of the other meat that look like the beef, that's the steak.
Oh, I see a little piece of it. Okay. Well, I ain't giving me much steak.
Well, I got a piece of steak then. Yeah, I just want some more queso in this glass. Not, man. The pictures look like it had a lot of queso.
It's so good. Whew. It's a lot hot.
You in with the spicy?
I mean, whew. It's hot. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm gonna try the quesadilla.
Oh, the spicy. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on them. I'm gonna wait on my spicy jet quesadilla because of
You think it's gonna be too spicy?
yes, ma'am.
I didn't think the large was gonna be this big though. No cap.
You think? Y'all want something? You have something? No, you can't. I'm just saying.
I ain't had them recipes on the stupid dumb type. Look at this. Thought I was gonna get some of my quesadilla.
So what is the quesadilla exactly? Is it like?
It's like a,
It's melted cheese.
it's a flour tortilla, and you put like your cheese and I think it's well, it's a spicy one. I don't know what kind of sauce they got inside, but you put the cheese, your chicken, and yeah. Eat your quesadilla. Dang, this junk stupid though. Now they pulling the Taco Bell. This thin old quesadilla.
No, it's
Where is my meat? Ain't no chicken in this. All this is rice and cheese. What is this?
oh shoot.
What is this Del Taco? Nothing to crawl back up there.
Uh-oh.
Yes, ain't no cheese in here. It's just freaking rice and cheese.
Is it good, Ellie?
It tastes like I'm eating mozzarella cheese.
You gonna call them and get your money back?
Yeah.
Yeah, that don't look good. I ain't
I
paid
no meat in
for,
this, and I paid for meat.
I ain't paid for no taco shell and rice. If I want that, I could have made it myself. Realistically.
I'm gonna go back to my nachos. It ain't even spicy.
Cause the chicken ain't in there.
I don't even know if the chicken was what was supposed to be spicy, to be honest. They played me. There ain't no spicy. What is that, grilled cheddar?
With queso, that's not.
That's why. Look at my packaging. It say grilled cheddar quesadilla. Yours say grilled spicy jack.
No.
Oh. I knew that. I knew that. But I'm still gonna call and complain. Cause that's not what I ordered.
I almost just choked, y'all. I need to slow down. I almost just choked, for real. I need to chew my food instead of swallowing it.
I need chips all here. No, you can hear yourself chew.
I spit all on it. But no.
I thought you weren't gonna notice it.
You feel it.
I'm sorry.
But I'm drinking root beer with my Del Taco. She's drinking.
Sear me.
There you go. Cause we didn't tell y'all what we was drinking. You know? Nigga.
Yeah, I should have given me some cheese, man.
Yeah. I see what you mean. Cause like now I want more cheese and all I got is meat.
You got more cheese on yours than mine, though. I should have switched them.
Okay.
Oops.
I'm sorry.
You want away my food?
Eat a little messy. But this is officially our first time eating today because
we've been running videos since, what time we got up? Like 9? Since 9 this morning. It's like 6 something.
woo.
So, Del Taco for y'all get my order wrong.
Yeah.
And I ate all day.
Tell them, baby. The frustration
Hurts me.
it hurts so bad.
But now, for real though, I need my spicy jelly.
Dang, what is this? A big slab of meat?
Those said they eat big chunks of, that's a big old piece of chicken.
Why is my chicken breaking down?
I don't know. It's probably tender.
Don't touch that chicken.
I don't know. Or maybe it's beans. I think, do beans come on it?
That's beans.
Oh yeah, because it was loaded and we only said no sour cream and no tomato. Why ain't taste no beans on mine? One of y'all, next time y'all go out to eat and y'all go to a fast food restaurant, make sure y'all thoroughly check y'all food before y'all pull off their lots. Especially during this quarantine, because you can't go inside of most of these places. And yeah, you gonna have to get back in line just to be like, you missed my order up. Inconvenience. Save yourself the time.
Is this more drink? 54 minutes a little bit.
Oh, you want me to get up?
Yeah, close. You in the kitchen, baby.
But I want to eat my food. You thirsty right now?
My mouth is on fire.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna drink from mine.
You put your lip on.
You kissed me on it. What you mean y'all put my mouth on it?
It's hot.
Oh shit.
You put your hands around it.
Look here. If you want it or you don't. These little nachos give me full though. I ain't gonna cap.
That's why I hate crushed ice, cause when you eat it, like when you drinking something, it just get on your teeth and sit there. Yeah, that's not fine.
Them good nachos, man. Real talk.
And yeah, that's beans.
Man, I ain't got them on mine. We found out they wanted to give you some beans. They're trying to put you a little more meat on your bone, babe. Get you some beans.
It's so good.
Alright, y'all. I'm through because I done got full. They done messed over my quesadilla or whatnot. And yeah. Overall, I give them about.
She just don't.
Look.
Oh, check my quesadilla, make sure it's just right.
Now I'm gonna be mad if yours is right and mine is wrong.
Oh, it's looking right?
No, yours looking just as thin as mine.
Never mind.
And yours got a tomato in it.
Yeah, I don't eat tomatoes. I'm allergic to tomatoes.
No meat,
They trying
just
to kill
cheese
me.
and rice.
Second time.
Yeah, so overall, today's experience, since y'all done freaked over my taco, quesadilla, whatever, your score went from a 9 to like 6, 7, 2, you know, cause yeah, I only got to enjoy one thing.
But for me, I would have to give y'all, cause since I was getting full anyway, I ain't gonna cap. You had a 9 cause of the nachos, but y'all put beans on my stuff, so that's the point. You messed up my quesadilla, that's the point. So you back at 7, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know, yeah. To be fair, a 7.
But the beans was good until I noticed them. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna lie on y'all like that. They were good till I noticed it, but you know. Y'all gonna have me
Be
gas.
prepared for this phone call y'all gonna get about these quesadillas though. With that being said, it's your girl Nisha.
It's your boy Ronnie.
And we up out of here. Peace.